welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nenye, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you the tips and tricks on how I achieve a glowing, beautiful glass skin. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, how do I tell you that I love you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and give this video a thumbs up, and go back and watch all of my other videos if you haven't watched it. All right, let's jump right into today's video. So my trick or my tip is dermaplaning. Dermaplaning. You know what I'm talking about. Dermaplaning is physically exfoliating your skin by removing facial hairs and dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. And let me tell you what dermaplaning does. Dermaplaning gives you an instant glow. Like the minute you dermaplane and you do your regular skincare routine, your skin just starts to glow automatically. Some importance of dermaplaning is dermaplaning helps your skin absorb your skincare products without, it just sitting on top of dead skin cells. Dermaplaning does not replace your physical exfoliator. You still have to use your exfoliator. However, if you use a chemical exfoliator, try not to use it immediately after dermaplaning to avoid redness and to avoid, any sort of irritation, because after dermaplaning, your skin is prone to irritation and your skin is open. So what I do is after dermaplaning, I use a mask to allow my skin to relax. A soothing mask, most importantly, so that my skin can relax before I do my skincare routine. So enough of the talks, let me just jump right in. So another trick is, or another tip is, when dermaplaning, don't dermaplane on a dry skin, because that would make your skin prone to getting cuts. So for me, I use vitamin E oil, these vitamin E capsules, or I use Vaseline petroleum jelly. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this because I've done a previous video on dermaplaning, and a lot of people kept asking me, where do I buy this? Where do I buy this? Don't worry, if you don't have it, drop it. Buy Vaseline and use Vaseline for your dermaplaning. I'm done talking now, so let's just start. I'm going to be using facial wipes to clean my skin. Remember that you have to dermaplane on a very, very clean skin, and dermaplaning is not something that you do every week. Please, dermaplaning can be done every 2 weeks or every 3 weeks. It is dependent on the level or how the facial hair grows. And there is one thing that people always say, that when I shave my hair, it grows back. No, this does not apply to facial hair, because the type of hair you have on your face are called vellus hairs, and they are different from every other hair you have on your body. These ones don't grow as fast or as thick as the hair on your regular body. So let's just start this video. So I'm just going to talk. So this is the blade that I'm going to be using, and you can find this in your regular beauty supply store. And this is very safe because it's just one side that is sharp and you don't have to worry about getting cuts. I'm not going to talk while I'm dermaplaning because I don't want to hurt myself. So just watch, and I'll dermaplane in a downward motion. And please, if your skin is acne prone, or if you have acne, it's not the best time for you to dermaplane, because this is basically going to just scrape off the surface of your acne and it's going to irritate your skin even more. So I'd advise that you first treat the acne. If you're acne prone, please do not shave your face. I have my mirror here just in case you see me looking down. For me, I always like to use the same time I'm dermaplaning to carve my eyebrows. So. So I'm just going to go ahead to apply my serum on my face. So that's all I do when I want to dermaplane. It's very easy, it's very straight to the point. You don't have to do any so much cerere. And of course, this is not something that you need to go to your dermatologist or your esthetician for every 2 weeks. You can do it by yourself at home. So you can see my skin. Closer. We have come to the end of this video. Please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share this video with your sisters and your friends as well. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us grow this channel. Anyways, till I see you all next week or in my next video. Bye.